a lot of project managers, a lot of non-planners, lawyers, contract administrators, they have difficulty accessing these reasonably complex construction programs and construction software. So the Logic Plus platform gives these non-planners the ability to access and view these programs, group and sort these programs as if they're in the full version of the software, but without having to pay that large amount of money. And it's a lot simpler and more intuitive, so it's easier for them to use. So they don't need to be a full-fledged P6 planner to be able to access an XER file and look at the program. There's other benefits that come with Logic Plus. So again, you don't need to be a planner to be able to compare schedule files. It does that in real time, not just at the high level, but you can look at an individual activity and look at the genesis of that activity over the project, how it's changed. So did the walls take longer? In the first program it was 10 days, then it was 12, and it was 15, and you can see how the schedule changes over time in a very simple, easy to understand way. The other thing that it does, which is the reason why we call it Logic Plus, and it's the only product on the market that does this, you can upload multiple different files in multiple different formats created by many different people, and it will identify a single longest path for that project. And that doesn't matter whether it's built in, whether it's an as-built program, or whether it's a program that's in progress, or it's a program that's at the start. It can take all that data and understand what the longest path for that project is, and it runs a simple algorithm that does that without the requirement for you to know what you're doing. So again, it's providing access to project managers and CAs and lawyers to do what was traditionally really complex analytics that required a lot of skills for themselves without the need for that training.